To restore a recycle bin after it has been emptied, start by opening the Windows Start menu and searching for the control panel. Once the control panel is open, you can adjust various computer settings. To proceed with restoring the recycle bin, open the System and Security settings, and from there, select File History. If File History is turned off, it will need to be turned on to restore files that have been removed from the recycle bin. Next, go back and click on the System option. Then select System Protection, which is located on the right side. Here, you will see that the protection is off for available drives. To enable this protection, click on Configure, then select Turn on System Protection, and click Apply, followed by OK, and then OK again. This process will allow you to restore a recycle bin after it has been emptied.